So you're ready to collect feedback with VideoAsk, but what exactly do you want to learn? Having a clear goal before you hit the record button will not only give your videos more structure, but will make it easier for your customers to provide feedback. Ask yourself the key questions, including, why are you asking for feedback? Maybe you're looking to improve your product, increase your NPS score, or want testimonials for your website. Be clear on why you're asking for feedback to make the creation process run smoothly. What exactly do you want to learn? Do you want feedback about the product itself, the checkout experience, or a customer support interaction? This will shape the questions and structure of your video ask. And what will you do with this feedback? Do you want video testimonials for social media, reviews for your website, or written feedback to give to your product team? You want to collect feedback in a way that lets you act on it. In this case, we want to know if our customers had a good experience with our marketing services. And we want the opportunity to collect video testimonials that we can post on our website and share on social media. We'll create a video ask to see how likely our customers are to recommend us to a friend, also known as a Net Promoter Score or NPS. If they say not very likely, we'll give them the option to schedule a call with us to talk it through. If they say pretty likely, we'll ask them to leave more detailed feedback about what they liked and what they didn't like. And if they say they're really likely, we'll ask them to record a video testimonial that we can share on our website and on social media. We'll need to record videos for each of these steps and outcomes. You can record these directly in VideoAsk or record beforehand and upload them during the creation process. However you decide to record, remember these recording tips. Write down your talking points. You don't need a full-on script, but have your main ideas and questions written down so that you don't leave out any critical information. Find a good recording space. You don't need a professional setup, but try to find a space with bright lighting and a nice background. If you can, close windows to avoid street noise and pick a room with no echo. And act natural. Try to be as friendly and natural as you would if you were talking to your customers one-on-one. After all, that's the whole point. Speak clearly and look into the camera to make your customers feel comfortable leaving feedback. Now, let's build your video ask.